Maria Lydia de Vega Mercatha, December 26, 1964, August 10, 2022, was a Filipina athlete who was considered Asia's fastest woman in the 1980s. De Vega was discovered in the Palarong Pambansa in the 1970s and was recruited to be a part of Far Eastern University Tamaraw's varsity track team. She then became a member of the Jintong, a lay track and field program. She was coached by her father Francisco Tatang de Vega, who was assisted by Claro Pelosis, Santos Magno, and Anthony. Benson later joined her training staff. De Vega first made an impact at the 1981 Southeast Asian SEA Games held in Manila with gold medal performances in the 200 and 400 meter events, exceeding records set at the Asian Games. As Asia's sprint queen, she ran away with the gold medal in the 100 meter dash in the 1982 Asian Games in New Delhi and duplicated the feat in the same event at the 1986 edition in Seoul, where she clocked 11.53 seconds. She developed a rivalry with Indian athlete PT Usha. In 1982, De Vega starred as herself in a film based on her own life titled Medalyang Ginto, directed by Romy Suzara and written by novelist Edgardo M. Reyes. De Vega won the gold in the 100 meters at the SEA Games 1987, 1991, and 1993. She also topped the 200-meter event in 1981, 1983, 1987, and 1993. She has twice won both the 100 and 200-meter golds in the Asian Athletics Championships 1983 and 1987. As a 16-year-old in the 1981 edition, she placed second in the 400-meter run and also bagged the bronze medal in the 200 meters. De Vega was a two-time Olympian, represented the Philippines at the 1984 and 1988 Summer Olympics. She also brought home a silver medal in the 200-meter race from the 1986 Seoul Asiad and has once represented a friend for the long jumps and broke her record. In 1989 until 1991, De Vega took a break from athletics. During this period, she got an academic degree and got married. She entered the 1991 Asian Athletics Championships and made a decent finish of 7th place. De Vega retired after competing at the track and field event of the 1994 Manila Fujian Games held in October. She won the 100 meters event. she announced that she would not be competing at the upcoming edition of the Philippine National Games. At that time, she retired from her athletic career in 1994. Personal life. De Vega's father was Francisco Tatong de Vega, Sr., who was also her coach. Singaporean athlete Jack Singh was her longtime partner. They first met at the 1979 ASEAN Schools Track and Field Championships in Singapore and were together for 6 years, prior to both of them entering separate marriages. De Vega would marry another man named Paul Mercatha in 1990, a former engineer at Meralco and an entrepreneur engaged in the fish pond business, with whom she had 3 children, including Stephanie Panang, who is a former collegiate volleyball player of the DLSU Lady Spikers. De Vega ended her marriage with Mercatha. Singh divorced his wife the same year. De Vega and Singh would then restart their relationship. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.